You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this pastry, this dessert, or could be a snack. It has different origins, so let's learn the pronunciation. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned, including from Greece. I've got fantastic videos for you. You'll learn from Kataifi, that's the Greek pronunciation here. Now, it also exists in Turkish and other Arabic countries in the Middle East. And in Turkish or Arabic, it's usually pronounced as Kataifi, but the spelling is a little bit different. So, this spelling specifically is more Greek, and the Greek pronunciation here is as Kataifi, with a stress on the I, first I syllable. How to pronounce Kataifi? In English, the pronunciation Takaifi, or no, Kataifi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.